Good morning, all of you. Myself Sandeep Arashar, and I'm welcoming you online classes, computer class, 10th class. 10th class, we had finished our 6th session in unit first. Now, my 7th session is online transaction. Online transaction comes in e-commerce, and nowadays all of you are familiar with the meaning of e-commerce. And I already told you in ninth class, in 8th class, buying or selling anything through the internet is known as e-commerce, electronic business. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, which means online commercial activities, buying and selling services by electronic means combined with the power of the internet is known as e-commerce. I already told you. But in first, e-commerce first began by exchanging information online. This is only for exchanging information. So it is known as electronic data interchange. EDI, electronic data interchange. Lots of internet services are available to promote business electronically. Nowadays, everything is on internet, everything is online. Games, stationery, movies, clothes, home appliances, and electronic items. If we are purchasing anything, it comes in the online shopping or e-shopping. Advantage of e-shoppings. Okay, some of the popular portal: Amazon, eBay, Craigslist, Bonanza. All of you are familiar with Amazon, eBay, Flipkart, so many things. Advantage of e-shopping: convenience. Convenience means no need to go on any shop. You can purchase anything through at home, at your office. So you save your time. Information and review. If you are going to purchase anything in the market, we don't have any information about related to any product and don't have any review. But you are going to purchase through the internet, we have some reviews, because already so many customers had given review about the related items. Price and selections. In market we have only a single shop, so we can't discuss about the price, but on internet we have so many discounts and we have so many options related to our product, so we have so many options for selection. No compulsive shopping. No compulsive shopping means in shop we have a shopkeeper, they say it like that: sir, please purchase this, sir, please purchase this. It will come in the compulsive shopping. They compel us to purchase things from the related shop, but on online we don't have any compulsive shoppings. Disadvantage of e-shopping: online shopping does not give us a personal touch of shopping. Yeah, you are not going in the market and not shopping like a particular way. An important issue is the data security. So many times if we make our payments but is not response by the shopkeepers, and so many times it is corrupted by the other persons. If a website does not offer free shipping, then shipping cost add to the customers, adds to the cost of the product. The customer's advantage. So many times we don't have shipping cost. They didn't add the shipping cost. After that they increase it and they add it. A major problem in e-shopping is the hassle in returning the product. But nowadays it is not a problem, because if you are not interested in same product, you can replace it. There is a huge risk of online fraud. Some sites sell product, yeah, it is real condition. So many websites send the wrong product for person. Online transaction using Amazon. Amazon is the one of the largest online shopping website in the world. It is an American e-commerce and cloud computer company founded on 5th July 1994 with headquarters in Seattle, Washington. This site is popular known to appliances, electronic appliances, book, clothes, furniture and many more. It allows the user to avail payment through credit, net banking, e-gift voucher. Nowadays everything available in the Amazon. So we are going to start our Amazon shopping. So first of all, we need to log in the official website of Amazon. After that, we need to register our account in Amazon. After that, we need to search related topic. After that, if we are satisfied, then we click on the buy now. It will create in our cart. After that, we create our Amazon account and write delivery address and continue. After delivery address, we need to give payment through the debit card, credit card and continue. Last and final, it require OTP from your bank transactions. So we'll give the OTP and after that our payment is done. Online transaction in e-reservation. Nowadays, e-reservation is familiar with everyone. Now you are in 10th class, all of you are familiar. E-reservation means making a reservation or appointment for a service via internet. Using e-reservation, check the availability of seats in bus, train or aircraft anytime, but can also reserve rooms, meetings, halls, restaurant by making online payment through credit card. We can confirm our reservation. Benefits of e-reservation: accessible anywhere. I already told you, if we are going to do anything through the internet, we are accessible from anywhere. Not required to go in a hotel to ask you have a room or you have a meeting halls. We just check on internet and we will book. Cost cutting. No need to travel so many things and no need to waste your money on traveling. So we can add this money in our particular things. Third thing is commission free. If you are going with to tell or discuss anything for booking, someone is there. This is commission agent. So if you are going online, no commission agent. Quick systems. Through internet, we create our reservation in just in a second. No need to stand in a line. Change and cancellations. Through internet, we can change our reservation or we can cancel our reservation in just in a click. Customer reviews. You can give your feedback also related to your hotels, related to your flights and whatever. Safe and reliable. This is safe. E-reservation software provides a secure online transaction system by protect your confidential credit card, debit card information. Now, what is the application area of e-reservation? Hotel reservation, travel ticket reservation, movie ticket reservation, event reservation and sports matches reservation. You can purchase sports ticket also nowadays. You can purchase IPL tickets. Thank you. We will discuss reservation process in next class. Stay at home, stay safe.